Gold yesterday finally made its way out of this range. We can see that the price has formed a bullish breakout above 2653.45 yesterday candle. It is a daily candle that has closed above this area of supply zone. Yesterday inside the premium analysis I have shared with traders several breakouts when they have happened. For example, this one when the price formed a bullish breakout above that, we had a target here around 2662.90. After that, the price formed a bullish breakout. We had again a bullish breakout, and the traders inside the premium analysis has received information from me that the target will be 2669.50. These are the breakouts that have been shared with the traders yesterday, as well as also today when the price is forming a breakout. We can see that also on the 4-hour time frame we have a clean breakout with the targets above that. Now, if you would like also to receive these breakouts when it happens on the lower time frame during the day as a daily updates, feel free to check the link below for the premium analysis. Now, also I would like to mention there is a giveaway. You can see that I am very close to 10,000 subscribers. So if you would like also to have this one, feel free to check that. After the price has formed this bullish breakout, we can see that the price is trying to make further rise in value. We can see that. And the price is trying to move its way up. And we can see that there are some small resistance levels in front of the price. The first one will be around this area where the price currently is. And after that, there will be second one here around 2685.63. And after that, if the price makes a bullish breakout above that, we will see around 2705 a price level. So there are several levels that the price needs to make a bullish breakout above that on the lower time frames, like 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. We can see that here where are the levels set before the price reached the area 2713.65, which will be the daily resistance. So when the price makes step by step a bullish breakout or bearish breakout going further down, I will share that inside the premium analysis, so feel free to join. Now for the daily, what I can see currently, the price is trying to move its further up, rise in value, so this is something that I am expecting. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.